I'm gone if you miss me.
Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up. Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up.
Hands up, shawty, when you party with me, we going way back, quarter to 3. I said hands up, I'm good in the VIP, I got my hammer right here with me. I said hands up, you know when you party with crooks, you gotta learn to respect the jokes. I said hands up, everything ain't cool as the fan, and shit ain't sweet as it looks. I said hands up, you know I'm putting something on me right before I leave out of the car. We came to party.
You gon' touch looking at me, we gon' leave out the club with a scar.
We came to party.
We pop bottles like it's all free. Before I leave, I'm about the bar.
We came to party.
You gon' order what you want, it's on me. OG, take a look at the star.
We came to party.
Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up. Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up. Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up. Put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up, put 'em up.
Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. We rowdy. Shout to all my lost boys. Shout to all my lost boys. Bang around bass.
Sen kalk mimini mikrofonunu get bak şak. Burada diktafonuna tak kağıt kalem bir de ilham alınacak. Tam gaz çapız havada düşmana buna çıkalım bakalım. Hadi bu bedalı kazanalım.
never manage, we do damage with no apology. Pick 'em off the panic, a little manic, cause I gotta be frantic. I'm a gem cause I'm an oddity. Gobble the track up like I'm grabbing them mama knockers. I can pop it, you pop it, cause I'm partners and walking fucking. Give me the top of hip hop and watch 'em make 'em rock with a showstopper. Chakras popping off the
Worldwide choppers.
If you anybody, you notice it. Tech is the pinnacle, not an identical soul is it. Load the code is the polar, get rolled quick and they quoted it. Yo, it exploded, the flow behold it, cause when the motor spit. But never to get free of the rear, better get just near the mirror, ready to get near my heels. Give me the knocking, I'm a chopper, he came in and went tomorrow, but I'ma lock it down and hop in the pocket like empanadas. Hit him up and get him up, I ain't done, I ain't did enough. Trippin' when I rip it, I be the X when I spit him up. Sorta like I was licking up and backing up in the gut. Everybody be knowing I'll be acting up when I bust. From Missouri to Canada, I be keeping the stamina. If you never been a fan of the man, planet, unanimous, can I catch? Fuck anybody, take his kilometers. Leave him in the dust, anybody talk when I'm standing up. Check his hostile, is awful. It really be wicked when he be off in the bottle. You with it, you dig it, you never lost the apostle. He's thinking to give it the poet, toss it Picasso. Killing everybody off is the motto. And I'll be the only chopper that's tossed in the brothel. You said it's pathetic, my head is off in the taco. I spent it, you better, you in the coffin when I go. I'm like years ahead of my peers. Want some, you can come, bring it right here. Can't clown me, don't come around me. Bow down, I was crowned when they found me.
Check it, I'm ahead of them, chopping up with the veterans, a legend developing. They gotta tell them it's heaven, they gotta know this an elephant. None of you niggas relevant, you delicate, but loving every second of this.
Denmark.
Du vil alle tjekke, når vi lægger det. Kommer ind og smækker det, beater jeg vækker det. I det, men der kommer ud og nimmer hænger med de vildeste gutter. Det minder mig om, det stikker der af, for de kalder mig alle fucking chop.
What if I ran into you with the pole stick? Come on top of you rebels like a Jehovah's Witness. With a photo of Jesus and a paper pamphlet. And I do my retractions like I was playing Hamlet. Syllable burning that internal damage. Too bad about it, but then I look back on the hammock. Under an oak tree like I was filling for cans. But instead I'm filling rappers' heads, making a sandwich. Pick up a 22 and put a bullet inside of a motherfucker from inside the 1987 box. I'm headed up, yeah, headed for bucks. Fuck 'em all, make 'em feel my dread like I had a head of locks. Feeling revoked like you had dead shots. When I hop on the fucking beat and I'm worldwide chop. What the fuck with Tech 9, twist up the pine and smoke a beat with Mr. Busta Rhymes. Well, sure, why not? Really don't need to show anymore on my cock. But I run across the stadium in a pair of your socks. And a trench coat with a pin hole in a watch. And drop a verse before you can focus to read the clocks. American is out of control. Heat it up, beat it up, then I gotta go. But I'm a dump truck to send another load. Beat a pipe and dump a pile of peppers in your throat with an alien probe. I'm like
years ahead of my peers. Want some, you can come, bring it right here. Can't clown me, don't come around me. Bow down, I was crowned when they found me.
I'ma focus up in my rhythmalism, the venom and hit him and give him a stigmatism, and then I'ma spit him something so full of vengeance that everybody you wanna devour the pieces of my enemy, cause of cannibalism. Breaking them up in the particles, they get in a predicament that be never reversible, cause a nigga be too versatile, making you nervous. You can never compete with the colonel. I burn you, I'm an immortal, and that's the reason I murder you. Focus on my hocus pocus and make a lick of magic. After I reckon, check your thinking, respect, I better have it, cause I'm an anomaly. When I'm give a lobotomy to any motherfucker challenging my astronomy. Popping, I don't stop with the follows when the flames down. I'm one of the most popular choppers and my name's known. Throwing it up in the air, taking it back. We WWC, if you can't keep up, should've stayed home. My alien knowledge be making other astronomers walk like the ancient as a discovery of paleontology. So play me and I'ma be shining on them haters. I'm finna be using it as energy. Watch your radiant, I'ma be like a helicopter when the words fly. Entire families all the way down to your girl die. If I catch you fucking with the most intricate lyricists, don't even try to stop us, cause we choppers and we worldwide. And
I'm like years ahead of my peers. Want some, you can come, bring it right here. Can't clown me, don't come around me. Bow down, I was crowned when they found me. See now they ask when I'ma stop at my dude, and when I'ma cock it and pop it, and when I'ma drop at my dude. Inevitably is that I'ma be the most incredible dude to ever spit on the record and put it together, my dude. And then they ask what in the world is you proving when you already the best, and what the hell is you doing while I'ma be chopping and cutting and breaking and beating and shaking and fucking everything until I make no further mistaking and busting everything up like a fucking nigga Jamaican and shutting everything, especially the ones who be hating and loving everything until I got them stuttering stupid. You hear him now? Do it. Please, why you gotta try? We already know that you be the nicest, you know I'ma come and kill him, get him, hit him and finish him and bang him in the head and diminish him and then I'll hit him and giving him a minimum. Giving it, coming and killing him. Then he gotta be killing him. Nigga, they gotta be feeling him. Spitting lithium, see the way a nigga be spilling them and getting them stupid to the point where there's no forgiving them. Hoping you're listening and you're paying attention and you're witnessing the way that I be crushing in the mic and getting in the zone. I be flattening and packing the people from the front to the back and they got me acting the fool and blacking nigga, now I'm home. Years ahead of my peers. Want some, you can come, bring it right here. Can't clown me, don't come around me. Bow down, I was crowned when they found me.
like when you're related, like me by the retire instantly, I'm chopping them, call me Michael Myers in my vicinity. The way you be killing them with rhythm, if you're illegitimate, the killer will finish any predicament. And the enemies in the vicinity, I got a mecca, they know they never can give on me. Whenever they mention me, the history of a lyrical criminal, more dead than the chemical. Check my resume, they say